Okay. We've got our solar powered floating water skimmer here, pool skimmer. This uses this entire top as a solar panel, and you can see it's propelling itself purely from solar power. You can see this light that'll flash every once in a while just telling you it's operational. It's got wheels here on the front, so as it comes up to the side, it'll hit those wheels. It will reverse itself, reposition, and keep moving. You can see here the unit. It uses these propellers. It will turn itself and spin. And then as this glides through the water, you can see this unit here will brush things into the catch basin. So this will brush leaves, anything floating on the top, into the catch basin. To empty it, you just pull this out, and here's your basket right here. So you take this out, empty it. You can see the wheels here spinning that connect right to this. Drop that back in place. You can see this starts spinning again, and this is ready to go and catch more leaves. And there it goes. It will just keep operating as long as it charges.